It's been 50 years of my journey in this film industry. It started in 1969, and it's the 50th edition of the IFFI, and I cannot but compliment the Government of India and IFFI for having conducted themselves in such a wonderful manner. Each year we find a growth in the delegates that come here, the choice of films that are brought to the country, giving us an opportunity to see the works and creativity of other parts, from other parts of the world. I've always felt that cinema is a universal medium, one that is beyond language and beyond all kinds of other factors that keep coming into our social and moral lives. When we sit inside a darkened hall, we never ask the caste, creed, color, or religion of the person sitting next to us. Yet we enjoy the same film, we sing the same songs, we laugh at the same jokes, we cry at the same emotions. There are very few mediums left, ladies and gentlemen, in this fast disintegrating world that can claim such integration in this medium.